Hey guys, welcome back to another super simple guitar tutorial. Today we have a super easy and beautiful song which called Falling Like Stars by James Arthur. Now for the basics of this song you need your guitar on standard tuning and you will need a capo on the first fret of your guitar. So put the capo on the first fret of your guitar and let's jump to the lesson. Before we start the tutorial, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and comment down below what other songs do you want to learn. We have just one general chord progression for this entire song. It goes like C, A minor 7, and F6-2, and again C. We are going to use this chord progression for this entire song in the same pattern. First, let's learn the picking pattern. In the C chord, you are going to use 5, 3, 2, 3. Third fret of the 5th string or A string, open on the G or 3rd string, and then first fret of the 2nd string and again open on G or 5, 3, 2, 3. You are going to play it for 4 times. Now in the A minor 7, you're just going to take off your ring finger and play the same picking pattern. 5, 3, 2, 3. Now in the F-sus2, you are going to put your thumb on the first fret of the low E or 6th fret of your guitar. So you are going to play 6, 3, 2, 3. And now again we're back to the C with the same pattern. Now you can play this picking pattern for entire song if you wanted to. Now let's move on to the easy strumming pattern version. Now in the easy strumming pattern, again we're going to use C, A minor 7, F-sus2, and again C. We are going to use an easy strumming pattern which goes like down, up, down, down, up, down. Again, down, up, down, down, up, down. Here we are going to add an accent. Now what is an accent? Accent means that you are going to play that strum a little bit harder than the rest. It will sound like this. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And we're going to use this strumming pattern twice for each chord. So in total, the chord progression will sound like this. And also you can play this easy strumming pattern for entire song if you wanted to. Thanks guys for the watching. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel for more super simple guitar tutorials.